How to see pending Robux. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. First things first, you need to log into your account on the Roblox website. Make sure you are on the official site to keep your account secure. Now you might be wondering what exactly are pending Robux. Well, it's an anti-abuse measure set by Roblox. It's here to ensure that if there is any issue with the transaction, it can be resolved. Typically, Robux can be pending for anywhere between 3 to 30 days. To check your pending Robux, simply click on your Robux balance at the top right corner of your screen. Different options will pop up here towards the option of My Transaction. Click on it. Now over here you will find different sections as Incoming Robux and Outgoing Robux. Navigate to the Incoming Robux section, scroll down to the bottom and you will find the Pending Robux section. This area shows any Robux that hasn't been added to your total balance yet. And that's pretty much it. If you have pending Robux, all you need to do is wait. For instance, I don't have any pending Robux, so it is not showing in this page. But if you do have pending Robux, it's gonna appear over here. You just have to wait and it will be automatically added to your balance, usually within 30 days. Remember, patience is key here. There is nothing more you can do. I hope this guide was helpful. If you have any questions or tips of your own, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more Roblox tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.